Hello student, good morning to everybody. Today we will discuss about relative clause, which is also known as adjective clause. As you have already read three types of subordinate clause. One is noun clause, another one is relative clause, and the last one is adverb clause. And generally the subordinate clauses are found with a main clause. In the complex sentence, in one complex sentence, we will find both main clause and subordinate clause. So let us look at the blackboard. Here is a relative clause or adjective clause. A relative clause, in other words, it is also known as adjective clause. So first of all, I thought it better that I would remind you about the last class. We had already discussed about clause. Yes or no student? ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ପଢିବା ପିଲେ adjective clause ବା relative clause, first of all we should remind ourselves about clause. What is a clause? A clause is a part of a sentence with subject and verb combination. A clause is a part of a sentence. Clause होची वाक्यर गोटे अंश with a subject and verb. Okay student? Another thing you have read that a clause is a group of words. Group of words. Group of words केते गुडे शब्दर समाहार रे क्लॉज गठित हुए. And clauses are mainly divided into two parts. One is main clause and another one is subordinate clause. Only I am trying my best to remind you, to refresh you. Okay student? Subordinate clause. And subordinate clause are again divided into three parts. One is noun clause, another one is relative clause, which is also known as adjective clause, and the last one is adverb clause. So the first one is noun clause, second one is relative clause, and the third one is adverb clause. In the previous class we had already learned about noun clause. Today we will learn about relative clause or adjective clause. Relative clause or adjective clause. Okay student? Now we will learn what is an adjective. I think some students have not yet known about adjective. Most of the students, I think they must know about adjective. Adjective जार ओडिया पिले आमे कहंती विशेषण. विशेषण adjective को ओडिया रे कहंती विशेषण. ए विशेषण साधारणतः लेखा आइटि मु डेफिनेशन देइछि. An adjective qualifies a noun or pronoun. An adjective qualifies a noun or pronoun. ओडिया रे कहिले आमे मन रखि परिबा जेउ शब्द विशेष्य को विशेषित करे ताहाकू विशेषण पद कहंती. विशेषण adjective qualifies a noun or pronoun. Okay students, let us take examples to discuss relative clause or adjective clause. Okay student? A hungry boy is crying here. A hungry boy is crying here. Okay student? Second, the boy crying there, the boy crying here is hungry. Third, the boy who is crying there, who is crying there is hungry. Four, the boy whom I met is hungry. Fourth sentence. Okay, student. The first one is a hungry boy is crying there. A hungry boy, गोटे भोकिला पिला is crying there. सेठारे कांदु अछि. Here the boy is noun. This is noun. एवं नाउन को विशेषित करुवा पद है हंग्री. दिस इज एडजेक्टिव. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस डेफिनेशन एन एडजेक्टिव क्वालिफाइज ए नाउन और प्रोनाउन. दिस इज नाउन एंड दिस वर्ड इज एन एडजेक्टिव. इट क्वालिफाइज द वर्ड हंग्री क्वालिफाइज ए नाउन बॉय. ओके स्टूडेंट. सेकेंड लाइन. द बॉय क्राइंग हियर इज हंग्री. The boy crying here is hungry. पिलाटी crying here जे कि कांदुचे एठी is hungry. अर्थात एठारे कांदुथुबा पिलाटी भोकिला अटे. ओके स्टूडेंट. एठारे कांदुथिबा पिलाटी भोकिला अटे. तो एटी लक्ष्य कर पिले दिस इज द नाउन. दिस इज द नाउन. And here is two word crying here. एठारे कांदुथुबा and these two words qualifies the noun boy. ए दीटा वर्ड पिले बॉय को क्वालिफाई करूची. ओके स्टूडेंट. बॉय को क्वालिफाई करूची. सो दिस इज आल्सो एडजेक्टिव. This is also adjective. According to this definition, an adjective qualifies a noun or pronoun. These two words describes or tells more about the word boy, and the boy is the noun. So it is also adjective, but we can't say it is only adjective. It is known as adjective phrase. Adjective phrase. This is adjective. This is adjective phrase. Mark the difference. It is one word. So it is an adjective. This is multi-word or more than one word. So it is known as adjective phrase. Look at the third example. The boy who is crying there is hungry. The boy who is crying there is hungry. Pilati who is crying there सेठारे जे कांदुची is hungry. से भोकिला अटे. तो एठी लक्ष्य कर पिले एथिरे मध्य सही वर्ड अछि बॉय. दिस इज नाउन. नाउन को क्वालिफाई करूथुबा शब्द गुडी कहला किए हु इज क्राइंग देयर. आउथरे देखो हु इज क्राइंग देयर जे कि सेठारे कांदु अछि. पिलाटी जे कि सेठारे कांदु अछि इज हंग्री. बाकी देइतांता द बॉय इज हंग्री. किंतु बॉय शब्द को क्वालिफाई कला हु इज क्राइंग देयर. एथिरे लक्ष्य करो मु एडजेक्टिव रो डेफिनेशन कहिछि. एन एडजेक्टिव ऑलवेज क्वालिफाइज ए नाउन और प्रोनाउन. एंड दिस वर्ड्स ए शब्द गुडी को क्वालिफाई करूछि नाउन को. सो दिस इज आल्सो एडजेक्टिव, but we can't say it is only adjective. We can't say it is as adjective phrase. So what can we say? This is adjective clause. This is adjective clause. Look at the blackboard. A clause is the part of a sentence with subject and verb. Subject verb thibo. लक्ष्य करो पिले, this is the subject. This is the subject. Who is the subject? Who is the subject? এই जो clause रे adjective clause who is crying there, this is total is adjective clause. Who is the subject? Is crying is the verb. Subject अच्छी, verb अच्छी, group of word अच्छी, so we can't say it adjective phrase or we can't say it only as adjective. We will say it as adjective clause. So student, mark the difference between adjective phrase and adjective clause. When the adjective is only one word, we can say it as adjective. When it will become more than one word, we can say it as adjective phrase. If in the adjective phrase there is a subject and a verb combination, we can say it adjective clause. Look at the fourth example. The boy whom I met is hungry. The boy whom I met, pilati, whom I met, jahako mo bhetili, is hungry. এই বাক্যরে পিলে লক্ষ্য করো, this is the noun. Noun को विशेषित करुवा एथि मध्य गोटे क्लॉज अछि पिले, कोटा से हबो whom I met. Whom I met. This is known as adjective clause. Is hungry. The boy is hungry. पिलाटी भोकिला अटे. Which boy? को पिलाटी? Whom I met. ଯାହାକୁ ମୁଁ ଭେଟିଲି. ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କର, ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ରହିଲା adjective clause, ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ରହିଲା adjective clause. ଏ ବାକ୍ୟରେ ଏକୁ clause କାହିଁକି କହିବା? ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କର ପିଲେ, this is the subject I. I is the subject and met is the verb. Subject ଅଛି, verb ଅଛି. Clause ର definition ରେ पढ़िଥିଲେ part of a sentence. Subject ଅଛି, verb ଅଛି. This is the subject, this is the verb. Group of word, 3 words. There are 3 words. So we will say it as adjective clause because this clause qualifies a noun. This clause qualifies a noun. This word qualifies a noun. This word qualifies a noun. Okay student? बर्तमान हमें देखिले what is the difference between adjective phrase and adjective clause. So what we learned, हमें कौन शिखिले about adjective clause. एथिरे टिके मन रख पिले कौन adjective clause रे हमें देखिथिले. Adjective clause. Adjective clause. What you remember? कौन लक्ष्य कल? It is a part of a sentence like clause. It is a part of a sentence with subject and verb combination. Subject and verb. Subject and verb combination. A group of word. Adjective clause is a group of word. Okay student? It is one type of subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. आउ कौन पिले देखिले? It begins with WH word or relative pronoun. Begins with relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. एटी मन को आसीबो पिले what is a relative pronoun? This is the relative pronoun whom. This is the relative pronoun whom. WH word like this: who, which, that, whom, where, when, and why. These are known as relative adverb. Student, they are also used in the adjective clause. The adjective clause always begins with a relative pronoun like whom word or like WH word. Relative pronoun like WH word. An adjective clause always a part of a sentence with subject and verb. Group of what? Subordinate clause. How can koi pariba? It always acts as an adjective. An adjective clause acts as adjective. Adjective clause adjective भली कार्य करे. Okay student? Adjective clause adjective भली काम करे. And आउ कौन कही परिबा? An adjective clause never stand alone. Cannot stand alone. Like other subordinate clause. अलगा subordinate clause भली it cannot stand alone. ये एकुटिया छिड़ा ही पारिबो नहीं. These are the different things we learned as adjective clause. Okay student, mark this diagram and note down it. Okay student, then we will discuss about another example or what are the types of adjective clause. What are the types of adjective clause? Okay student, look at the blackboard. Relative clause or adjective clause are divided into two parts. One is defining clause and another is non-defining relative clause. Defining, non-defining. Defining is also known as identifying relative clause and non-defining relative clause is also known as non-identifying relative clause. You may say it, you think it. Defining clause is very necessary, but it is not necessary. गोटे डिफाइनिंग क्लॉज वाक्य रे निहाती दरकार किंतु नॉन डिफाइनिंग क्लॉज रहिले चलिबो न रहिले चलिबो. लुक एट द एग्जांपल. द बॉय whom I met was hungry. Second, the boy who is crying here is hungry. Third, this is the village where I was born. Fourth, my father who is standing there is a teacher. Look at the underline part. A underline part को पहले लक्ष्य करो. These underline parts are known as relative clause or adjective clause. And all the relative clause, all the adjective clause begins with a relative pronoun. First one is whom, second one is who, third one is where, last one is who. The circle words are a relative pronoun whom, who, where, who. These are the relative pronouns. So remember it, a relative clause always begins with relative pronoun. Now look at the first sentence. The boy whom I met, पिलाटी जहा को मो भेटिली was hungry. ए वाक्य रे पिले मु एटा को काटी देली, whom टा को काटी देली. The boy I met was hungry. The boy पिलाटी I met मु भेटी थिली was hungry भोकिला थिला. अर्थ बुझी होउची. So here the relative pronoun can be omitted. Second, the boy who is crying here is hungry. एथिरे who टिको relative pronoun को मन कर पिले काटी दबा ताले वाक्यटी कोन हे गला. The boy is crying here is hungry. This is the noun, this is the verb noun लागी रही गले. The boy is crying here is hungry. अर्थ कौन लगुच पिले एटे जदि आमे हु को बाद देई दबा ताले वाक्यटा अनर्थ होई जिवो, ग्रामेटिकल एरर रहिबो. तेनु एठी आमे हु को ओमिट करि परिबा नाही. एठी हु इज कंपल्सरी. सो यू थिंक sometimes relative pronouns can be omitted or can be dropped, or sometimes they can't be dropped. दे कैंट बी ड्रॉप्ड। बर्तमान लक्ष्य करिबा खाली मेन क्लॉज को पढ़िबा द बॉय वाज हंग्री। द बॉय वाज हंग्री पिलाटी भोकिला थिला। जदि गोटे वाक्य आमे कहंती निश्चित भाव में पिला को प्रश्न आसीबो को पिलाटी भोकिला थिला। दी लागिछि माने डेफिनाइट आर्टिकल। द बॉय वाज हंग्री पिलाटी भोकिला थिला। मु जम जिबी तमो कहि देली पिलाटी भोकिला थिला तो कब जानिबो ना हुम आई मेट जहा को मु भेटी थिली। जदि एटी मु लिखि थांती ए बॉय वाज हंग्री ए बॉय वाज हंग्री एटी हुम आई मेट रही थिले चली थांता न रही थिले चली थांता किंतु एटी मु लगेछि कोन पिले दी डेफिनाइट आर्टिकल। द बॉय हुम आई मेट वाज हंग्री सो दिस इज इसेंशियल। दिस इज essential or necessary means this is identifying or defining relative clause. Second, the boy who is crying here is hungry. The boy बदल रे आमे बर्तन लगेई दबा ठीक से भली एटी दी अछि डेफिनेट आर्टिकल। the boy is hungry पिलाटी भोकिला अटे। को पिलाटा भोकिला अटे निश्चित भाव में संदेह आसब। तेणु मुझे कहि खाली पिलाटी पिली भोकिला अटे पिला निश्चय तुम चाहब जे को पिला कथा ना हु इज क्राइंग हियर एठी जे कांदुछि। सो दिस रिलेटिव क्लॉज is very much essential or very much necessary, so it is also the example of defining relative clause. Defining D. This is the village where I was born. लक्ष्य करो पिले this is the village, this is the village एटा होछि गां। मु खाली कहबी तुम संगरे जाउछि कहि देबी this is the village एटा गोटे गां तुम निश्चय आश्चर्य हबो को गां कथा कहउतंती आमे कोन गां चिनी नांती। तो एथिरे this relative clause is also very much necessary. where I was born मु तुम संगरे जाउछि मु कहबी पिले this is the village where I was born एटा होछि सेही गां जोठी मु जन्म ग्रहण करिथिली। सो दिस इज also defining relative clause. Defining relative clause means necessary or identifying relative clause. Last one, my father who is standing there is a teacher. Relative clause को पहले छाड़ी दियो। My father is a teacher जदि एतिके कहि थान तो मते सर my father is a teacher मु बुझी थांती मु कहबी my father is a teacher तमे मध्य बुझी थांत। तो एठी दरकार नाही हु इज स्टैंडिंग देयर इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी सो वी कैन से इट एज नॉन डिफाइनिंग ND नॉन डिफाइनिंग रिलेटिव क्लॉज नॉन डिफाइनिंग। एवं आउट के जिनस पिले मार्क करो डिफाइनिंग क्लॉज এই চারিটা জাঙ্ক ক্লজ ভিতরু তিনিটা ডিফাইনিং ক্লজ গোটে হচ্ছে নন ডিফাইনিং ক্লজ কোন এথিরে ডিফারেন্স লক্ষ্য করছো টিকে কহ। ক্যান ইউ সে হিয়ার ইজ টু কমাস নন ডিফাইনিং ক্লজ রে কমা ব্যবহার করা যায় তেণু আমি কই দেই পারিবা হিয়ার ইউজ কমাস। एटी आमे लिखि परिबा नो कमा। Okay student, this is all about relative clause or adjective clause. Okay student, thank you.